Hello guys, here we have the Logitech Z906 and the Logitech Z5500. In this video we will gonna test the sound on both of them. So as we can see, at the maximum level, the bass on the Z906, it makes distortion. And now let's test the Z5500 with the same song. As you can see, the subwoofer is slightly bigger. The Logitech Z906 has only 500 watts, while the big Logitech Z5500 has 505 watts. So as you can see from this video, the sound, it is much cleaner on the old Logitech Z5500 that was launched in 2006. What do you think? Do you like the Z906 because it is much modern, or do you like the old Z5500? Remember, the new model cost around $300, while the old model cost about $1,500. So please tell me in the comments, what do you like the most. Cheers!